Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in jubileelife.ng.com and make a search. The official page of Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines and from the displayed option tap on Internet Banking, and from the drop down choose any of your account type and tap on it. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank's account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password option. This is how you can log into your Jubilee Life Mortgage Bank's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.